Hello dear friends, I am Swapan. Welcome to my channel. Please watch the video till the end to learn some easy methods for the beginners. Today I am going to show you how to draw a goddess Ma Durga's painting with some very easy and interesting steps. In this drawing, we will use different type of geometrical shapes to make it much more easier, which is beyond your thought. So let's focus on the work. At first, we have to draw a standing line, then a sleeping line in the middle of the standing line. Then draw a triangle shape over the sleeping line. After that, draw an U shape under the triangle for the face. Now write a big A and join it with the triangle. To draw the eyes, make two leaf shape. After that, draw the nose with the help of two C and one U shape. Now for the leaves, a small V shape, and with that make a M shape and join the two ends of the M, and then make a U for the completing the leaves. Then make the eyeballs and eyebrows. After that, make the third eye of the Ma Durga. Now complete the neck portion and complete the ornaments. Finally, our drawing is completed. Now we will start the color. For the color, we need to follow the light and shadow portion properly. finally our goddess Ma Durga is completed. And I am recommending all of you that you should try it at home. I'm sure you will enjoy the drawing. Comment me down how was your experience and whether the steps were useful or not. Thank you little chums. We will back again with another new video. Till then stay tuned and keep learning.